Hello students, in the last class we discussed about the compounds of oxygen. In that one, first one is dioxygen. Second compound is oxide. In the compounds of oxygen, second compound is oxides. Oxides means the binary compounds. Binary means two elements. Binary compounds of oxygen. Binary compounds of oxygen with another element. That is, another element possess only oxygen. Then it forms two binary. Binary compounds of oxygen with another element is called as an oxide. Oxide definition is binary compounds of oxygen with another element. It is commonly called as the oxide. The oxides are classified into simple oxide and mixed oxide. Oxides are of two types, namely simple oxides and mixed oxides. In simple oxides, the element exists in only one oxidation state. In simple oxide, an element exists in only one oxidation state, then it is called simple oxide. For example, you take Al2O3. In Al2O3, aluminium exists only in +3. Aluminium oxidation state is +3. Hence, it is called simple oxide. Here, aluminium present only in one oxidation state, or MgO. Here, Mg present in the +2 oxidation state. Such oxides are called simple oxide. Then, in the mixed oxide, an element exists in more than one oxidation state. If an element exists in more than one oxidation state, such oxides are called as the mixed oxides. For example, you take Fe3O4. Fe3O4 can be taken as FeO, Fe2O3. In FeO, iron in the +2. In Fe2O3, iron in the +3 oxidation state. Hence, iron exists in more than one oxidation state. Such oxides are called mixed oxide. Or you take Pb3O4. Pb3O4 can be taken as PbO and PbO2. In the PbO, Pb is in the +2, lead in the +2. In PbO2, lead in the +4 oxidation state. Hence, Pb3O4, Fe3O4, or even Mn3O4, that can be example for a mixed oxide. This is about the mixed oxides. Then, simple oxides can be further classified into simple oxides. They can be further classified into acidic oxides, basic oxides, amphoteric oxides, and neutral oxides. Simple oxides may be of acidic, basic, amphoteric and neutral oxides. Then an oxide reacts with water. Any oxide reacts with water, forms an acid is called as the acidic oxide. Acidic oxide definition is An oxide combines with water, forms the acid. If acidic oxide reacts with bases, if the acidic oxide reacts with base, forms the salt and water. Salt and water. Generally, acidic oxide definition is an oxide which is dissolved in water forms an acid. For example, you take CO2. CO2 when dissolved in water, it forms the carbonic acid, H2CO3. Sulfur dioxide reacts dissolved in water, forms the sulfurous acid, H2SO3. Nitrogen dioxide dissolved in water, it forms the HNO3. Or you can take N2O5, nitrogen pentoxide dissolved in water, it can also forms the nitric acid, 2 moles of the HNO3. Or Cl2O7, when dissolved in water, it forms the HClO4. HClO4, that is the perchloric acid. These are all considered as an acidic oxide, that is CO2, SO2, NO2, N2O5 and Cl2O7. These are some of the examples for the acidic oxides. Then certain metal oxides, some metal oxides of the metal, for example Mn2O7 or V2O5 or CrO3. These are the metal oxides. All CO2, SO2, NO2, N2O5, Cl2O7, these are the non-metal oxides. Generally, non-metal oxides are acidic oxides. Certain metal oxides in which metal in the higher oxidation state, they are also example for the acidic oxides. Oxides of the some metals in which they are in the higher oxidation state, they are also an example for acidic oxide. For such cases, example is Mn2O7. Here Mn in the +7 oxidation state, in V2O5, vanadium in the +5 oxidation state, in CrO3, Cr in the +6 oxidation state. These are the higher oxidation state. In higher oxidation state of the metal, the oxides of the metal also acidic in nature. Commonly, non-metal oxides are the examples for acidic oxide. Then, certain oxides which dissolved in water forms the bases. Some oxides, certain oxides when dissolved in water forms the bases. Those are called as the basic oxides. Basic oxides definition is oxides dissolved in water forms the bases are called basic oxides. Basic oxides commonly reacts with acids, forms the salt and water. Commonly metal oxides, all metal oxides, generally metal oxides are the examples for the basic oxides. Non-metal oxides are the examples for acidic oxides. Metal oxides are the examples for the basic oxides. For example, you take CaO. CaO when dissolved in water, it forms the CaOH twice. CaOH twice. And CaOH twice is a base. And CaO is called as a basic oxide. Or you take Na2O. Na2O when dissolved in water, it forms the NaOH. NaOH is a base. Hence Na2O, it is an example for the basic oxide. Or BaO when dissolved in water, it forms the BaOH twice, barium hydroxide. BaO is a basic oxide. MgO MgO dissolved in water forms the MgOH twice. MgO is also a basic oxide. All metal oxides are the examples for the basic oxides. All non-metal oxides are the examples for acidic oxides. In the metal oxides, exceptional case is metal in the higher oxidation state. They are shows the acidic nature. They are the acidic oxides. Then some oxides, some certain metal oxides, they shows the characters of both acidic oxides and basic oxides. Certain metal oxides shows the characters of both acidic and basic oxide. They reacts with both acids and bases. Some metal oxide, they reacts with both acids and the bases. Certain metal oxide shows the characters of both acidic and basic oxide. Those are called as an amphoteric oxides. Amphoteric oxides. Example for that amphoteric oxide is Al2O3, alumina. Al2O3, if dissolved in acid, it reacts with an acid HCl. It forms the AlH2O6 3 plus. AlH2O6 3 plus Cl minus. Here Al2O3 reacts with an acid. Similarly, Al2O3 reacts with NaOH, that is base. That is a leaching process, leaching of the bauxite. Forms Na3AlOH6, Na3AlOH6, Na3AlOH6. That means alumina Al2O3 reacts both with an acids and bases. They shows the characters of both acidic oxides and basic oxides. Those are called amphoteric oxides. Example for amphoteric oxides are Al2O3, alumina. Then there are some oxides which neither acidic nor basic oxides. Such oxides are called neutral oxides. Certain oxides, they are neither acidic nor basic. They not react with acids or with the bases to form the salts. They neither reacts with acids nor with the bases. They neither shows the acidic or basic oxides character. Those are called as an neutral oxides. Neutral oxide definition is oxides which are neither acidic nor basic. Neither acidic nor basic. They not react either with acid or base to form the salt. Those are called neutral oxides. Example for that neutral oxides are the CO, NO, and N2O, CO, NO and N2O. They neither reacts with acids and bases. They not shows either acidic oxide character or basic oxide character. Those are called as the neutral oxide. This is about the oxide. Very simple concept. This is important for the competitive level. First definition is oxides, binary compounds of oxygen with an other element is called an oxide. Oxides may be simple oxide or may be mixed oxides. An element present in only one oxidation state, it is called a simple oxide. Example is Al2O3 or MgO. An element present in more than one oxidation state, then it is called mixed oxide like Fe3O4 or Pb3O4. Simple oxide may be acidic, basic, amphoteric or neutral. Some oxides, that is non-metal oxides, dissolved in water yields the acids. Those are called acidic oxides. Acidic oxide commonly reacts with bases, forms salt and water. Examples for acidic oxides are CO2. Just you have to remember the examples only. CO2, SO2, NO2, N2O5 or maybe Cl2O7. Then some metal oxide in which metal in the higher oxidation state also examples for the acidic oxides like Mn2O7, V2O5 or CrO3. These are about the acidic oxides. Then as example for acidic oxides are all non-metal oxides. Then some oxides when dissolved in water form the bases are called as the basic oxides. Those basic oxides reacts with acids form salt and water. Examples for basic oxides are metal oxides, generally metal oxides like CaO, BaO, MgO or Na2O. They are the basic oxides. Some metal oxides which behaves both as an acidic and basic oxide. They react both with acids and bases are called amphoteric oxide. Example for amphoteric oxides is alumina Al2O3. That is Al2O3 reacts with an acid like HCl, 6 moles of the HCl and 9H2O. Then it forms AlH2O6, 2AlH2O6, 3 plus and 6Cl minus. This is the reaction with acid. Or alumina reacts with base 6 moles of the NaOH and 3H2O that forms the 2Na3AlOH6. In the first case, alumina reacts with an acid. In the second case, alumina reacts with the base. Hence, alumina is called as an amphoteric oxide. Then, some metal oxides, certain oxides, they neither behaves as an acidic nor basic. They not react either with acids or with the bases. Those are called neutral oxides. Example for neutral oxides are CO, NO and N2O. These are about the oxides. Note down this one to practice. In the next class, you can study about the another compound of the oxygen like ozone.